Okay, ready. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our live healing session. Today, we will be healing anything which is related to your relationship issue. Okay. So, if you are having any trouble in your relationship, how you're feeling about it is what I want to know. Please type in the chat window. It could be like your children are in trouble, you're worried for them. It could be your spouse is not speaking to you, you want attention from them, and you are feeling lack of love, lack of compassion, whatever it is. Everyone type in the chat window what you are feeling. Okay, worry, confused, controlled, lack of love and respect, lack of love by relatives, that's with everyone, less understanding. Okay, those are watching us live on YouTube also, please type what is it that you're feeling in your relationship right now. It could be relationship with anybody. Okay, lonely. Okay. What else? Confused, worried, sad, lack of responsibility. Someone loved ignoring me, so being abandoned. Okay, no problem. ठीक है. So everyone ready to heal what you're feeling? कहाँ फंस गए? Okay, great. Insecurity and worry. So we will do 21 times of healing with Ho'oponopono. That is the 4 sentences. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Every time, if I'm not saying any emotion, you can say it in place of me. जो भी आप emotion feel कर रहे हो, आप वो अपने end से बोल सकते हो. बाकी, when we close our eyes, let's see what comes up. Okay, so everyone ready? Okay, close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, everyone. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Everyone, keep your right hand on your heart. And this time, while we are chanting, you can gently rub your hand circular motions mein, on the chest, in the center of your chest. Okay. And repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for my feelings in this relationship. Dear inner child, please help me to release all these emotions which I'm experiencing every now and then as a pattern. All the memories that I have accumulated and stored since the beginning of the time through my ancestors, relatives, friends, and anybody else. Please help me in cleaning those memories of pain, hurt, sadness, and loneliness. Dear Divine Intelligence, please help us to clean all these emotions and memories where we are not experiencing perfect relationships. And all these memories are cleansed with divine love, peace, perfection, so that we all experience beautiful relationships. And it is done. Tathastu. Take your name, everyone. I'll say my name. Dear Beshu, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Everyone, take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax completely and rub your hands together. Put it on your face, your eyes, your throat, your heart, and slowly open your eyes. Okay, thank you everyone. Let me know in the chat window how you are feeling after chanting for 21 times. Okay, those who are watching this live on YouTube, please let us know how you're feeling after the chanting. And if anyone has a result to share or any experience to share related to Ho'oponopono, you can raise a virtual Zoom hand and we can listen to your experience. Anybody would like to share any experience today? Okay, Ankita, here you go. Yes, I have unmuted from my end. Can you try speaking? I'm not able to hear you. 1 minute. You can try now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I know I'm not attending class since long time, but हर रोज मैं होपोनोपोनो रात को 5 malas, कभी 11 malas करती हूँ. As per your teaching, every day I am doing hoponopono at night and morning also. कभी-कभी नींद में hoponopono चलता रहता है. And I'm getting marvelous result every day. So point is, जैसे एक दिन मैंने रात को 11 malas किया, सुबह मुझे कोई ना कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिलता है that you are doing best job, your work is too good and you are progressing in your field. कोई ना कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिलता है. So which I was waiting for. I told you before also, before
Yes.
6 months, that I want that respect. And which I got it because you told me that advanced भी कर सकते हो और basic भी कर सकते हो, dear respect, और advanced भी आपको जो बोलना है बोल के भी कर सकते हो. So every day एक topic लेके मैं होपोनोपोनो करती हूँ and it हर रोज मुझे result मिल रहा है, हर रोज. मैं कहा आज मुझे टाइम निकाल के, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता क्लास अटेंड करने का. कभी 9 बजे कॉल आ जाता है, कभी 9:30 कॉल आ जाता है that we have so and so requirement, you have to come for meeting. लेकिन स्टिल आज मुझे रिजल्ट शेयर करना था और इसलिए मैं आई.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And because of Ho'oponopono. Since 1 year, every day I'm doing Ho'oponopono. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Everyone, give her lots of love, blessings, and congratulations. Ankita is a very senior student now. And जो लोग भी सीनियर हो गए हैं उनको इतना ज्यादा खुद ही में प्रैक्टिस हो गई कि even if they are not attending classes, they know what to do and they can do it on themselves. But they have attended lot of classes also and they have practiced. अगर लाइव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो वो बाद में जब भी उनको टाइम मिलता है they make sure that they practice and that is why they are getting these results. Okay, so let's move to another senior member, Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Please go ahead. मैंने अपने साइड से अनम्यूट कर दिया है. आपको सिर्फ बोलना है. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. कल 15 अगस्त था, सो यहाँ एक योगा क्लास है, 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं सभी एज के। तो वहाँ अर्जुन देवैया करके एकलव्य अवार्डी आए थे चीफ गेस्ट कर। वो कूर्ग से हैं, जनरल करियप्पा के गांव से। वे एक विलेज से हैं और कूर्ग वाले ज्यादा हार्ड वर्कर रहते हैं और उनका जीवन में कुछ मोटिवेशन होता है, कुछ गोल टास्क करते हैं लोग। और उसका स्पीच इतना अच्छा था। मैं सीनियर सिटीजन फ्लैग होस्ट में भी नहीं जा पाई क्योंकि इसका स्पीच इतना अच्छा था कि मुझे उठने का मन नहीं हुआ। और उसने बच्चों को इतना इंस्पायर किया कि लाइफ में बहुत इनोसेंट नहीं रहना है, क्योंकि आजकल का जमाना क्या है, आगे बढ़ना है। घर में माँ बाप के का कहना मानो, और जो भी कठिनाई आती है माँ बाप को समझाओ, कन्विंस करो। और सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करते वक्त भी कन्विंस करना चाहिए। लाइफ में पार्टनर सेलेक्ट करते वक्त भी कन्विंस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जैसे पैसे के मुकाबले से आजकल रिलेशन चलता है, वो सही नहीं है। तुम्हें क्या बनना है और तुम इस लाइफ में आकर राष्ट्र को क्या दे सकते हो। और वो अभिमन्यु एकेडमी के सीईओ हैं और कोच भी हैं। और उसने कहा, आज अगर मैं पैसे के पीछे जाता तो मैं भी रिच पर्सन बन जाता था, लेकिन मैंने राष्ट्र के लिए एकेडमी खोल रखी है और जो पैसे वाले हैं उनसे मैं पैसा लेता हूँ। और जिस बच्चों को पैसे से आगे बढ़ना नहीं होता, उन बच्चों को मैं कॉलेज जाकर इकट्ठा करके उन्हें फ्री क्लासेस लेता हूँ। ऐसे राष्ट्र के बारे में थोड़ा सोचो और आगे बढ़ो। ऐसे मोटिवेशन का स्पीच बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। और फंक्शन के बाद मैं उनसे मिली और वो भी मिडिल एज का है बच्चा, बहुत खुश हो गया और उसे ब्लेसिंग भी दिया। मुझे भी खुशी हो गई। महाभारत के अर्जुन को नहीं देखा कि आजकल के अर्जुन को देखा।
Thank you for sharing. Everyone give a lots of love, blessings and congratulations. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing. Yes, Divyani, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. So
Good
yeah,
evening.
Beshu, I'm getting results every day. So it's like I started doing fasting. I never done fasting before. मुझसे होता ही नहीं था. But this time it was like मैं chanting. It was like 100 times. मैंने 5 times करा then में. So my fast went so easily, and I was very happy after that. Then I don't feel angry on anyone, like anyone. I am now able to understand the other people's situation and I react accordingly. So yeah, don't get angry as well. Grudges, I am not like these days. I'm not holding grudges as well. As soon as I realize that there is a problem, I work on it, I clean on it, and things get better. So, and cooking mein too, it's like my habit now to start to chant and then start cooking. So yeah, wonderful experience these days. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you. Everyone give you lots of love, blessings and congratulations. Yes, Ankita, please go ahead with another result.
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, मैं ये कहना चाहती थी कि because of you, even I want to ask you also. I have 4 students of Ho'oponopono जो घर के ही हैं और मैं स्टूडेंट्स बढ़ाना चाहती हूँ, बट जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू कि भाई करना चाहिए मुझे क्लासेस, लेना चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे आर आल्सो रिजल्ट जिससे मैं समझा रही हूँ. मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ हैं, मेरी सिस्टर है, सिस्टर के फ्रेंड्स हैं, सो उनको मैंने सिखाया एंड इवन दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग सम रिजल्ट्स. तो मुझे ये कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू से?
I cannot tell you that. That's totally your call. You have time, you have energy, then do it. If you are not getting inspired, then you can start whenever you have that inspiration. Because once you take up this responsibility, it's a huge responsibility to teach it in the right manner and to give your time and energy and everything. So if you are ready to do that, then there's no problem. But if you feel like it's all about cleaning yourself, right? We have to clean ourselves and everyone around us gets cleaned automatically. So if you're okay with that idea, even if you do not teach, if you're cleaning for yourself, that's as good as teaching people.
Okay, because no, what happens when जैसे मुझे पहले बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट करना पड़ता था, आज ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो नाइट में मैं जो ओपन ओपन करती हूँ, मॉर्निंग में रिजल्ट मिल जाता है. सो दैट इज लाइक, और जैसे मुझे एक अच्छी कंपनी लानी है, आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ दैट एंड आई एम गेटिंग दैट कंपनी.
Yes, yes.
तो मिलना है, आई एम थिंकिंग मुझे उससे मिलना है, एंड कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है दैट आई एम एबल टू मीट दैट पर्सन.
Okay, so I have just one suggestion for you, since we are short of time here. Do Ho'oponopono for this thing also, and you'll get your answer automatically yourself. Okay, so chant for this, do malas for this, and you'll get your answer. Okay, thank you for sharing. And everyone, give a lots of love, blessings, and congratulations. Those who are watching us live on YouTube, let's give them blessings. Everyone, hold your hands like this and repeat with me. Congratulations for all your health, relationship, career, and money goals are already achieved. Tathastu. And let's fold your hands and repeat with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Okay, everyone, open your eyes. And those who are watching us live, we will come back tomorrow at the same time. Yes, Rahul, you can, share your problem in the comment and we'll try to help you out however we can. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time.